How Einstein solved problems without Google. Chapter 1, No Google, No Problem. What if you had a big problem? But no Google. No calculator. No AI. Just your brain, and the pressure to solve it. Now, imagine you're Albert Einstein. That's exactly what he faced. In a world without the internet, Einstein used imagination as his search engine. And it changed science, and history, forever. Welcome to Think Like a Genius. Chapter 2, Einstein, the Unlikely Genius. You know Einstein as the wild-haired genius. But back in school, he wasn't exactly teachers' favorite. He didn't talk until he was 9. He failed the entrance exam to college. Some teachers thought he was slow. But the truth? Einstein wasn't failing. He was thinking differently. While other kids memorized facts, Einstein imagined the impossible. Like, what would happen if I could chase a beam of light? That single question led to the theory of relativity, and revolutionized how we see time, space, and reality. Chapter 3, His Secret Tool, the Thought Experiment. Einstein's most powerful tool wasn't a telescope. It was his mind. He called it the thought experiment, a mental simulation. No lab. No tech. Just imagination. He pictured trains moving at light speed. He imagined mirrors bouncing light in space. He visualized falling in an elevator, wondering what gravity felt like. This wasn't fantasy. It was deep science thinking. Einstein used his brain like a movie projector, turning complex physics into pictures. That's how he beat problems that stumped the world. Chapter 4, Think Like Einstein, 3 Simple Habits. Here's how you can think like Einstein, no lab coat needed. Habit 1, Ask better questions. Einstein once said, "If I had an hour to solve a problem, I'd spend 55 minutes on the question." He didn't rush. He refined the question, not just the answer. Ask yourself, what's really the issue? What if I'm seeing this the wrong way? Is there a hidden assumption? Habit 2, Visualize everything. Einstein didn't just write, he saw ideas. Make your mind's eye your canvas. Sketch. Diagram. Doodle. Train your brain to see answers. Habit 3, Think slowly. Einstein wasn't fast. He was deliberate. He took walks. He stared out windows. He gave ideas time to bloom. In today's instant world, slow thinking is a superpower. Chapter 5, Genius Thinking in a Wired World. Today, in America, we're trained to tap, scroll, search. Fast answers. Quick fixes. But Einstein reminds us, the deepest truths come from quiet thought. He didn't rush. He reflected. He didn't consume content. He created new ways of thinking. Maybe we don't need more information. Maybe we need better questions, and the space to think through them. Chapter 6, Today's Challenge, Think Like Einstein. So here's your challenge. The next time you hit a problem, don't open Google. Instead, sit with the question. Draw it. Imagine it from the inside. Ask, what would Einstein do right now? Remember, your brain is more powerful than any browser. Use it like Einstein did. Chapter 7, Outro, The Genius is You. Einstein changed the world with a pencil, paper, and imagination. You have more tools than he ever did. So don't just search. Think. Subscribe for more episodes of Think Like a Genius. Because the next genius the world needs might be you.